Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix cFosSpeed driver. Your PC has a service that isn't ready for this version of Windows. First method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar. Click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select cFosSpeed for faster internet connections, click Uninstall. After uninstall, restart the system, then try to update Windows 11. Second method is open any browser. Type cFosSpeed in browser search bar. Download and install software. After install, restart and try to update Windows 11. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Uninstall software. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.